But we organized human development events in 4 different countries during that. That was primarily my responsibility. It was residential, so we would uh, get registrations from people from 5 or 6 different countries, and then we would build bunk beds to house them in the Manila facility, which was quite nice, actually. And then we did one of those human development events. It wasn't like a training school like you all did, but it was a short event, maybe 5 days. We did one in Indonesia, one in Thailand, one in Malaysia, and one in the Philippines during those years. And it was quite exciting to see who came to those and recruiting them and just being involved in networks of human development people.
Any real unforgettable characters show up for those?
Well, I just remember one in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and somehow there was a Frenchman who was buying craftware across the region who was invited as a guest presenter. And so I was leading the think tank on income generating projects. Not that I knew much about that, but I had read a manual that David Rebstock had written when I was with that task force in Chicago some years before. And this Frenchman was telling people, when I sell handicraft in Europe, they want something new every 6 months, and Thailand can produce that sort of thing. The Thai handicraft people are willing to change their handicraft, and Indonesians and Malaysians will stick with their traditional handicraft. And the European buyers want something different every 6 months. So if you just stick with your traditional patterns and designs, it won't sell in Europe. And that was quite an awakening concept for both the participants and for me. And it was really exciting to have that encounter.